Hey everyone, Emily from Pogo here. I've just been thinking and I wanted to just do a really quick chat about people who are hypermobile and what happens to their bodies during pregnancy. So for those of you who don't know, hypermobility, which means increased mobility, refers to people whose joints move really easily. It means the ligaments around their joints have a little bit more stretch, a little bit more give in them, and their joints kind of get through range a little bit more. When you are hypermobile, sometimes you're hypermobile through your whole body. So that means that the joints in your back and things move easily as well. So when you think about pregnancy, as your baby grows, your bump gets bigger and bigger and bigger, and what happens is you start to get a bit more of an increased curve in your lower back. So if you think about someone who has hypermobile joints, those joints are going to have even more pressure on them as the curve gets bigger, as your baby grows and your bump gets bigger. When that happens, a lot of the time, the muscles in your back and around your pelvis are going to spasm to try and help protect your back. And a lot of the time, when you have tight muscles, you think, perfect, I'll go and get a massage and that will really help. Sometimes what can happen if someone gives you a really hard massage, you can actually pull up more sore after. Because that massage releases everything off, it leaves your back feeling really vulnerable, it feels those joints feeling really vulnerable, and then everything spasms right back up again. So if you are a hypermobile person, you're experiencing some back tightness during pregnancy, feel free to go for a massage. Just make sure that they do it gently, and probably the biggest thing you will need is potentially a brace or some exercises. Exercises that are going to help support your pelvis, support your back, and that's where Pilates comes in, and that's a really good option. But if you're a hypermobile person and you're pregnant, if you think of any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. But I just wanted to give a little warning out there. If you're going to get a massage, make sure they don't go too hard, because sometimes that can leave it a little bit more painful after. Thanks guys.